Hello, engineering students of 2017. This is energy forecasting using machine learning, a comparative study. Team members include Nick Losi, Seth Marcellus, and Dean Palmer. This is a cursory literature review. We use the MathWorks machine learning. We also use the scholarly articles listed below for our project.
So for this study, we're going to be applying machine learning to predict Liberty University's on-campus usage. For a previous study, we did a multiple regression to look at the factors of the outside air temperature, as well as the weather condition, and whether or not there was an event on campus. So we'll be implementing this previous research and comparing that with MATLAB neural networking functionality. Once we do our comparative study, we'll be adding an additional factor to the neural network to see how that affects our prediction for the demand. That variable will include whether or not it is a weekend. And lastly, we will be drafting a scholarly article for the potential publication of this comparative study.
Now, what our system process workflow looks like includes, first of all, the data input of historical weather data, the weekend calendar with a 1 or 0 depending on whether it's a weekend hour or not, and also the campus calendar, which includes how many students are on campus as a -1 with not many students, a 0 with a standard day, and a 1 with a big campus event. These, along with MATLAB user settings, will be inserted into the MATLAB neural network application, which we will be able to find an accurate model, and we will also use the linear regression model to bring the outputs of energy predictions from both models. Then we will compare both of these using a model prediction summary, and we will also include the actual energy output data to make comparisons and see which are most accurate. Now the next steps in this project will be to find a linear model, including the weekend variable, to familiarize ourselves with MATLAB neural networking applications that are built in, to develop multiple neural networking models, and outline and draft a publishable document. And we'll also, as a courtesy, provide this live video demonstration and explanation of the data forecasting